Hello everyone! If you are looking for what went down in Cliniko this past week, you are in the right place. I'm Rachel and I'm here to bring you news, updates, and changes in Cliniko this week. In regards to updates this past week, our developers have made the date selection on the appointments page fully usable from the keyboard. You can now use the tab key to skip through the next and previous months, while using the enter key will select the day you've highlighted. If you use a screen reader, the date will also be read as you skip through the days. Next up, we've added some additional information to the patient's export. Specifically, we've now added the first appointment date as well as the first practitioner seen when generating a patient's export via data exports. This information will be present in the last two columns of the export. Just note, the patient data exports is only accessible to administrators. A great use case for this is if you wanted to create a list based on how long a patient has been with you, or if the patient has seen multiple practitioners in your clinic, you can see who they initially booked with. In regards to bug fixes this week, on the recalls report, when you load more results, the results loaded should now maintain the business location filter you may have added. If you had issues loading information on the referral sources report, that has also been fixed. Next, on the appointment schedule report, if you canceled an individual from a group class, they will no longer appear in the list of patients. And finally, we've released a fix for the password reset. If you ever generated a password reset and ran into an issue where the reset link in the email was already expired, that has now been fixed. Just note, if you generate multiple password resets, only the most recent email will work. Well, that's it for this past week. As always, I will see you next week. Bye.